Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. If you want to see how I made this delicious looking toasted bread, then keep watching. Let's get to my kitchen. To toast this bread, I'll be using these three medium-sized eggs, one small onions, two fresh pepper, two fresh tomatoes, and a tin of sardine. I've cracked the three eggs into a bowl, and I've also chopped the vegetables I'll be using and opened the sardine. I extracted the oil. I'm going to add the oil for frying. I'm using only this all-purpose seasoning. I'm not adding salt because there's salt in the seasoning and also in the sardine. I'll then add everything and mix in the bowl. I'm adding both the tomatoes and the onions, everything into the egg and fry at once. I added the sardine oil when I opened the sardine. I'm also going to add it a little vegetable oil. I'm spreading some butter on the bread, but it's optional. If you don't like it, you can skip it. You can also use mayonnaise if you prefer that. Then put some of the fried egg and sardine on top of the buttered bread, which you have already placed in the toaster. When done, then cover it with another slice of bread. Cover your toaster and toast. Just switch on the toaster. Sorry, the red light is supposed to show when I on the toaster, but the button has fallen out. I don't blame the toaster, it is old. The toaster is more than 6 years now. And when it is done, the green light will show. So that's how to know when it is done. Don't blame the toaster, blame the user. Continue with the same process for the rest of the bread and the egg. And that is it again for today. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you are just tuning in for the first time to our channel, woo, you're highly welcome. Thank you so much. Click on the red button to subscribe. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye bye.